Hi Nia, how are you? I am fine, what about you? I am good. Have you read today's newspaper? No, I have not. Why are you looking so tensed? I read a report on air pollution that could ruin our nature completely. Oh, can you tell me in detail? Yeah, I can. You know, air is the most important element of nature. We need safe and clean air to breathe. Yeah, I know that. What is the risk then? The air is getting polluted day by day and the nature and the environment are facing a threat to that. How the air is getting polluted? We, humans, are polluting the air with leaving smokes of millions of vehicles, mills, factories and cutting down trees. Yeah, deforestation has been a huge problem nowadays. Some proper steps should take against it. Yes, cutting down trees is the worst thing that can ruin the air. You know, tree leaves oxygen that we need to take breathe. If we cut down trees, then the air becomes imbalanced and it is risky for humans and animals. What can we do to save our nature? To do that, we all have to become aware and need to let people understand and know about all these things. What exactly we need to tell people? First of all, we should stop making any kind of pollution. Suppose from now stop using plastics and try to throw your dust in the dustbin and don't cut any kinds of trees. Yeah, we need to do it first. That is true. People might love and be inspired by our work. I think so. We can use paper bags instead of plastic. That is very good for the environment. Yeah, that could be a good effort to save our nature and keep the planet clean. So let's do it from today. Yes. Thanks for your beautiful conversation. You are welcome. See you again. Bye.